Butterflies. We're learning about butterflies because butterflies are a symbol of Easter. And you probably have this worksheet, and if you don't, you can find a butterfly picture online, and you'll find out how to color a butterfly and a little bit more about butterflies in this book. And this is a first discovery book. There are 150,000 different types of butterflies and moths. That is a lot. You see butterflies during the day. And moths, butterflies' cousins, at night. They are attracted to light. So, here's the butterfly page during the day. And then the moth page at night. A butterfly has 6 legs, 4 wings, and 2 antennae. It is the only insect whose body is partly covered in multicolored scales. Scales? Interesting. I thought those were just on fish. Let's turn the page and see what else is on there. How cool. Very pretty. No new words, though. The proboscis, or tongue, acts like a vacuum for food. While not in use, the proboscis curls up in a spiral. So that's this. Now I'm going to read over here. The butterfly's eyes are made up of tiny facets that are extremely sensitive to movement and to color. So they have really big eyes, don't they? And now we're down here. They have 3 pairs of muscular legs that are attached to the thorax or chest. The front feet search for sweet foods. The organs on its hind feet help the butterfly to taste the nectar. So all the legs. And now we're going to learn about the antenna next. The butterfly can smell with the 2 antennae on top of its head. So there's the antenna. Rows and rows of scales create superb colors and designs on the butterfly wings. That is so cool. Butterflies mate only with their own species. When a male and a female want to mate, they place the tips of their abdomens together. So kind of like that. After carefully choosing a plant and then a leaf, the female can lay up to 300 eggs. When it hatches, the larvae of the caterpillar breaks out of its egg using its jaws. Usually the larva's first meal is its own eggshell. Soon the caterpillar stops eating and becomes perfectly still. The molting is about to begin. So a butterfly starts out as an egg, and then when it's hatched, then it becomes a big caterpillar after a while. Soon the caterpillar stops eating and becomes perfectly still. The molting is about to begin. The caterpillar hangs without moving while its skin splits open. Underneath, a very soft, newly formed chrysalis is exposed to the air, causing it to harden. On the inside, the caterpillar is transforming itself into a butterfly. The insect, ready to leave, cracks open the chrysalis and slips out. It's a very amazing process. The butterfly flies from flower to flower in search of nectar. Do you see it right there? It's kind of hiding with that flower. Let's see where it goes over here. Now it goes to another one. The butterfly carries pollen from one flower to another. This helps flowers to reproduce. Look for the hidden butterfly and then turn the page. Do you see it? It uses camouflage. Let's turn the page and see if you found it. Did you see it there? Yes. So pretty on that side. The king of camouflage disappears into thin air. Very pretty. Here's some different kinds. Broad-bordered grass yellow butterfly, blue hair streak butterfly, zebra swallowtail. Kayla, I bet you'll like that one. Beautiful tiger moth, Queen Alexandra birdwing, Indian moon moth, small postman moth. Which one do you like the best? The pygmy blue is the smallest butterfly in the world. The atlas moth is the largest moth with its big and unusually shaped wings. It can be found in India, Sri Lanka, China, Malaysia, and Indonesia. The sphinx moth has one of the longest tongues, and these are some special butterflies. And that is the end. Now you can color your butterfly. You want to make sure you color it the same on each side because the wings are identical. So if you color this part pink, then you need to color this part pink over here. Or if you color these dots green, then these dots need to be green. The part in the middle can be, it's usually brown or black. And then you might want to add a couple of antennae. And if you want to add the legs, you could do that too. So then your butterfly will be beautiful. And it's a symbol of Jesus' resurrection at Easter and spring. The end.